So I actually been researching for a while now, and a lot of people kept on telling me to go to Clinichub. So I finally decided to go on their website, and I found like a really good doctor, and I decided to have surgery with him. So the surgery that I decided to have was eye bag removal. I'm not sure what it's called. What is it called? Blepharoplasty. I can't say, but that's what I had. It's eye bag removal. So I actually been struggling for a while now with my eye bags. Like every morning I will look in the mirror and I will have like a lot of eye bags. Like it was so pronounced and I wanted them gone. So I actually was in contact with Clinichub, and they picked a doctor for me, and they was like very helpful, and they coordinated everything for me, and I was able to fly out to Turkey, meet the doctor, and have the surgery, and I'm like super happy. So after the surgery, I'm not even gonna lie to you, I was in a little bit of pain. Like I actually was bleeding a little, but after a while, that's normal after surgery, but after a while, like the pain, they gave me medication and the pain was gone, and I was able to manage. Like it's not as scary as I thought it was super easy. My tip for anybody that want to get eye bag removal is make sure you do your research, and if you do your research correctly, you would pick Clinichub, and once you pick Clinichub, you go get your surgery. After surgery, my tip is like stay away from the light. Like get an umbrella, because the light will kill you once you get your eye bag removal, because your eyes will be kind of swollen and like very sensitive. But other than that, that's all the tips. So this was actually my second time in Turkey, and my first time in Turkey was a nightmare, but thankfully with Clinichub, like they directed me the whole way through. Like they decided like where I should be exactly at the airport. They had a car waiting for me outside. Everything was beautiful. They got me to the hotel, everything. Like I couldn't ask for something better. Like they were amazing. Absolutely, like they took care of me like they were my mother. Like they took every time like I needed something, the nurse was right there. Like it's really amazing like how much they treated me so good. Absolutely, if you want to get surgery, make sure you go to Clinichub. Like they are the bomb, honestly. Just make sure you choose Clinichub. You would not be disappointed. Like I highly recommend them. Like they're awesome. I rate them 5-star definitely. I don't even have to think about it. Like they're awesome.